Just yesterday I sent to you my 5 different Minisite templates. So in this video I want to show you how to edit them, because I got a lot of questions. How can you edit the Minisite template? So what you can do, you can use NVU. It's a free HTML editor. It's what you see is what you get, so you don't need to do any coding. It just click and play. It's similar to Dreamweaver, but it's free. So you can get it on Mac and also on Windows. So here you'll see I just opened the Dark Sin sales page template. It's a sales page.html, and this is what you will see in NVU. And now it's very easy to edit the text here, as you don't have to worry about HTML coding. It's all pretty similar to Microsoft Word. You just change the text, you just select it. For example, your website is about dog training. Okay, so you do dog training here, and if you want, you may like change it, bolding here, or make it cursive or underline. You may also change the colors. It's all click and play here. I mean, here I think it's a different, like you see this if you want, change the different things here. Here's the slogan of your website, so it could be, for example, discover surefire ways to solve all the dog training problems. Okay, so that could be our slogan. Then we have the pre-headline, big headline, and sub-headline. And you may change it as well. For example, attention, for example, dog trainers, okay, I'm not sure how to spell it. Okay, and then there's a big headline, so it could be anything. So you just select the text and type. Okay, discover secret method how to never have these 5 problems with your dog. And now you see that there's some problem here. You want to make it with enter, so it goes to the new line, so it looks better. So you might do something like that. So it's a nice arrow here, as you see, and that each line has less it's shorter, each of these lines. It creates an arrow, and attention will be to go further. So you want to make sure the lines are in the same length. Then there's subheadline. So again, you may remove that, or you may just type something here. Then there's my avatars. You want to change it, the date, the it's kind of like a big benefit thing. Your name, your signature. You want to delete this, put your signature here, and here, for example, some enter dear dog trainer. Then we can change this. For example, would you like to, and then you just type. Okay, now in order to type a new paragraph, just click enter and you type it. You see, if you want to have it in the same paragraph, you click shift enter, you see, and then it's in the same paragraph. It's not the new one. If you want the new one, just click enter. So that's how you do paragraphs. Here you can put like the video, or you may remove this, just select that. So it's up to you. Then we have some these headlines between paragraphs. So it can be pretty much anything you want. You may want maybe to make this, for example, we can make it like this, so it stands up a bit more. Maybe underscore. You see, it stands up. Then we have some bullet points. So in order to add another bullet point, just click enter and you type. It's pretty self-explanatory. Then we have some testimonials here. So you just select the text and tell, for example, this could be like the best sentence of this testimonial. Make sure it's short, because the text is limited here. That's how I designed it. So it can be like maybe 5 to 6 words, like the best course ever. Okay, then we can just select this and change this also. So it could be example some testimonial here, Okay, it can be testimonial here. Then the name of the person, John Matter. Oops. Yeah, make sure you select it correctly. Okay, and then the location. You can also add his picture here. Just double click in location. Just choose the file from your computer, and you just load it, and it will change the image here. Okay, and the same with the module is the same thing. If you don't want an image, just delete it. Just click and put delete. Click delete in your keyboard, and it can be about your module. It's more like a product box. It can be like module 1, introduction, module 2, solving these 5 problems about dogs, and similar things. Also, I have an opt-in box if you want to build your list. It's a perfect way. So you may change it. Now, in order to change it, you need to put an Aweber code here, so it will require some coding. So if you don't know how to do it, you may hire some programmer on Scriptlance for 20 bucks to do it for you. It's a bit it does require some HTML coding. If you don't want it, just delete it. And then there's some bonuses. It's the same thing. It's another box in my design. It's for bonuses. If you want to offer some bonuses to create an irresistible offer, that's a perfect place. Then we have a guarantee with a nice graphic. You want to change it, as you see, it's a dummy text here, so you want to change it. And then there's an order button. So you want to change the link here. In order to change the link, you have to go to HTML tags here, actually to source. And you'll see here minisitetemplates.com/blank.gif. You want to look for it, and then there's href. Href is an HTML tag to create links. You want to change the hash code with your link. So if you're on a ClickBank, you want to get from ClickBank your payment link. So once you click the payment link, it should go to the payment page. So here you put your payment link from ClickBank or PayPal, whatever you use for payments. And you put it here and you save it. Click save, and then it will be it will be linked. So when someone clicks order now, it goes to your payment page. Then again, you put your name here. You can use PSs to increase your conversions. You can add links. In order to add links, you just select this and click link, and you put the link here. And you see you got the link. You have also your order secure by. It increases the authority of your site and security. It helps in conversion. Also disclaimer, you may change it. There are also links. You may change it to your existing links, to contact page, privacy page, affiliate page, and there's a footer. You may change it. So that's basically how you change the website. Some of my Minisite have graphical headlines, graphical headers. So you need Photoshop in order to change it. If you don't have a Photoshop, or you don't know how to do that, hire some graphic designer on Warrior Forum, Scriptlance, freelancer.com, like 10-20 bucks. It's very cheap, and you get a full new Minisite for pretty cheap, 10-20 bucks, and you get very unique Minisite, because these are not used very often, as I didn't offer it in many places. So your website will be very unique. So that will be it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the good comments I got from you. I'm glad that you like my Minisite templates. And if you have any other question, let me know. I'm always here to help you, and I'm always listen to you what your problems are, and I'll always try to solve it and help you in some way. So thanks again for watching, and let me know what you think.